You make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes, making my...
Family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I changed my bright Halloween-ish color wig that I did have. You guys are going to see it in a second. How I changed the color to this. Okay, so first things first, this wig was from Curlyme Hair. Okay, it's from Curlyme Hair. The playlist is going to be at the top. It was 26 inches, a 13x4 lace frontal wig, 180% density, and 26 inches, and the texture was a water wave. Okay, y'all know I love a water wave texture. So, like I mentioned, I did dye this, and it's probably already showing now, but I needed to. There was no way I was going to be able to rock. I know some girls are out there that can rock a bright orange wig, but that's just not me. Can't do it. I had to darken it up. So I went to my beauty supply store, and I went and got the Adore hair colors. I got sienna brown, and then I got cinnamon, which is number 58, and sienna brown is 104. This is going to be down in the description box along with the details and links to this wig and everything like that. So I thought that I needed like a cinnamon ginger-ish color, and I was thinking that if I mix it with a brown, then you know it'll be like a dark ginger. So that's exactly what I did, and I feel like on camera it's picking up kind of red-ish, but it is I really like how easy it was. This is my first time ever doing the watercolor, you know, technique. So it came out literally perfect. Like, I was scared that the lace was gonna get tinted. It did not, y'all. It did not. It was just super easy. You guys, it's really self-explanatory. You guys are gonna see exactly what I did. And I left it in the pot for about like less than 10 minutes. Okay, less than 10 minutes, and the water was not super hot. It wasn't just warm, like the water wasn't boiling when I took it off. I wanted to take it off before because I saw someone saying you don't want to burn the hair. Don't want to burn the hair. So you want to make sure it's just a little bit hotter than warm, and then you'll be just fine. So if you're getting a wig, like if you're thinking about getting a wig from this company, just know their ginger units look like a super bright orange. A super bright orange. Okay, so if you're really thinking about getting a wig from their company, a ginger one, you can change the color. It's very easy. Yeah, so let's just leave it there. So now let's just talk about the texture of the hair. First of all, like I said, it was water wave, and super not defined. Yeah, it's super not defined. I'm getting some snagging. I will definitely keep you guys updated. Typically, I may not film another video on this hair. The update will be in the comment sections. I really do like the density of this wig. You know, it sucks that it's snagging, but the density is really, really nice. It has a tad bit of weight, which I like my wigs to have a tad bit of weight, a little fluffy and a little weight. Okay, mix that together, that's what I like. Okay, and the last thing that I want to mention is the construction of this wig cap. It comes with your adjustable straps, your 3 combs, the normal. Now, when it came to like fitting it on my head, I usually take advantage of the adjustable straps, and when I did that, I was like, ooh, it's really tight because it had a hard time reaching even to where I like my wigs to reach. So I adjusted the adjustable straps to make it looser, and it still did not fully reach. Like, honestly, you can see it right here, and that's with me like pulling and tugging on it. So girl, if you up for a challenge, go ahead and look in the description box, okay, and hit the links. I'm gonna leave this here. I hope this helped you guys. And if you have tried a unit from this company, leave your experience with the wig and with the company down in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
I'm so exhausted. Oh yeah, you be up all of that nonsense. Now I'm still surprised when it's always a process. I'm way too used to it. Happens too often. It's so exhausting. I'm so exhausted. Oh, yeah.
might be a deserter. No time to have you lurking. No, act like you don't like it.